this is Chef Saby. I'm here at the prestigious RIGS Institute, Greater Noida. This is one of the premier hospital institutes in Delhi NCR. I'm here on behalf of Red Gold Tomato. This is a part of a EU campaign that we are doing, promoting high quality produce from Italy. Right now we're working with Red Gold Tomatoes. We've done these amazing dishes. We have this beautiful gazpacho with cheese foam, a lovely tortellini, and a chicken rulla that has been made with this high quality tomato, which is a Red Gold Tomato that's come all the way from EU. This amazing kitchen setup that has been provided by RIGS Institute. It's been a phenomenal workshop. As you see all the videos, you will see very enthusiastic young chefs and a team of professional chefs from the college who work with us all day long since morning. So thank you RIGS, thank you Red Gold Tomato. The students have been phenomenal. Really appreciate everybody's time. We've produced such amazing food. Also gave out a lot of tasting. It's been a very fulfilling long day. Look forward to many more of the similar ones. Thank you Red Gold and thank you RIGS. Thank you. Cheers.
Hi, my name is Naman Bhatia, the Head of Operations at IHM-RIG Institute of Hospitality, Greater Noida. We have hosted a wonderful workshop today, a kitchen workshop conducted by the one and only Chef Saby. All the students who participated in the workshop had a great time learning from Chef Saby how his techniques work, how his teamwork works, and we are very looking forward to our students working in the industry and taking his learnings. The event was on Red Gold Tomatoes, and they actually taught the students how so many dishes can be made using just one ingredient, which is tomatoes. From tomatoes, they have made fantastic food items, and I'm really sure our students will have a lot of impact in their future from this session. So I thank the team and I thank Chef Saby for giving us the opportunity and the time, and we look forward to having you in our college again. Thank you.